giving ghetto.
We don't
Giving ghetto. I got my head wrap. I'm about to check in. I got my flip flops, my damn socks on. We're trying to check in. Oh, here comes ballet. Okay, I'm back.
Last name, please?
Rogers.
Okay, Miss Rogers, thank you. Are you just visiting today or checking in?
Checking in.
Do you need help with your bags?
I think so, yeah.
Okay, I'll call a bellman. There's the valet ticket.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Yeah, Molly, you gotta check in. White.
He should be coming out right now. Hey, the valet guy is waiting for you. He's about to drive our car.
The bellman will be right out.
Oh. He said the bellman's gonna be out.
Yeah.
He's about to drive us out of here, y'all.
Welcome to the Golden
I gotta go get some cash for you.
I gave him 2 already.
It's all good.
Oh, that's very nice.
All right, you already got the ticket?
Yes, you have
Yeah.
the valet ticket.
Cool. I appreciate it.
On his way.
All right, get out.
Play a little at the casino while I put my trays in and stuff like that and do the stuff I'm doing. So we're about to head out. Me and the kids are about to meet him downstairs.
Aaliyah's so weak.
So yeah, I'll try and give y'all the outfit of the day, which if you follow my TikTok, I think I've already posted this shirt. And possibly these shorts like a long time ago. But yeah, we just got here. It's 3 o'clock. We left at 9. So yeah, I love these shorts because they show my tattoo. Aaliyah's like, Mom, those look so short. And honestly, they're the shortest pair of shorts that I have. I usually don't wear short shorts. But yeah, I will talk to y'all in a little bit. Hear me out. I did not want to wear a baseball cap, so I got this for my job. I think it's super cute. This is the first time I tried it on because I wore a bun the first time when I had my coworker try it on. But hold on, you gotta get your shoes on, Annalia. But I'm wearing them with these shoes I got from, what do you call it? From 99cent Only. And I usually don't buy shoes from like discount stores, but these are just too cute. So far they're doing pretty good, so they haven't like ripped or anything. So yeah, and then yeah, so this is basically my outfit of the day. Oh, I forgot to say that this hat is like so lightweight. And what's weird is it's soft. Like, it's so weird. But anyways, yeah, I'm waiting for Cameron to change. And then I'm gonna brush my teeth again and put my trays in and then be out. So
It's hotter than a motherfucker right now. I should've dated this
Every time your internet slows down during
Anyways, we just left the strip. I'm tired.
gives priority to cell
But we just left
usage.
Circus.
Good question. Why not switch
The ride was fun. It was really cool. I'm just tired now because I didn't wash my face before I left the hotel, so I feel oily, so that means I feel like sticky and yeah. So we're probably about to go back to the room. Right now we're gonna go look in this neighborhood, see how it is over there, and then we're probably gonna go back to the hotel, and then I don't know what we're gonna do from there. We'll see. But we drove down the strip. That's what I was showing you guys. Right now it's 7:14. So yeah, still early. Anyways, yeah, we gotta see what we're gonna get into. Mostly we came down here to kind of look at everything because we're thinking about possibly moving out here within like a couple years or whatever. So the area that we're looking at, we want to see how the neighborhood is and stuff like that. And then our friends came down here because their daughter had a competition, so they're out here too. And hopefully we can hang out, even though we live like at home with them. Oh my god, how cute. My motorcycle content page is tiny_Yamaha. This is so cute. He asked her to marry him after they got off their bikes. That was beautiful. The caption is in Spanish. I wish I could read it. I think they have a translation. Oh, they do. Life is moments, and in the best and in the worst, it always was you. Now our time has come, and I'm telling you that I want to spend the rest of my life with you. How cute.
What's that?
Look at. Yeah, he's coming. So, hurry up! Your shoes are over there. Go get them. Anyways, we're getting ready to head and go get dinner. I don't know what. I was gonna wear a different shirt, but I don't really care at the same time. I just have on my shoes that I got from work. They're like these really cute Reeboks. Let me see. Yeah, they're so cute. So yeah, I got those, and then yeah, I was gonna try and wear a white shirt, like you can sit right there if you want, like this. But the thing is, I don't want to really, and it'll match too, but I just literally don't want to wear a bra right now. And a shirt like this is just easier for me mentally, like no bra. So yeah, that's how I'm feeling.
I'm just hitting patios.
Well, it's this time o'clock, and everybody was tired, the little people, and now they want to stay up. Play.
I wasn't tired.
I will go to sleep with y'all up. Okay? I'm tired.
Yeah.
the Stratosphere where we got married, but we're not going up to where we got married because they raised the price too much. What? Oh God. His toy. Olivia, get his toy. But yeah, so I think we're gonna walk around here, drink, but yeah. The restrooms are. My camera's dying, so I have to use my phone. But yeah, I'm trying to show you guys how it look out there, because I think it's pretty cool right here. Absolutely annoying. Okay, so this is how it looks like right before we went up to get married. It's just like the shape of the Stratosphere. It's called the Strat now. And they have a bar right here. We thought about like getting a drink. It's hard to see on my camera. I'm actually thinking about getting another camera. Let's see, it looks clear when I zoom in, but yeah. They don't have merch no more. They remodeled this whole building too. Yep. So,
You said old man for it.
when?
You text me old man.
Oh, maybe I did that on accident.
I didn't know.
So this place is hard. Got some cute stuff. I like this place because it's so bright. It invites you in. Looking at these solo cups right here that are not red.
Oh, does that even have stuff in it?
Okay, so my camera finally died. I think I showed it on my hat. But going to the elevators right now. I just have on sneakers again. Going to the elevator to go. We're to surprise the kids with a couple things here at the resort and then outside of the resort up there. Pass it again. Okay, let me give you guys some sanitizer.
It was my elbow.
Oh, and I did my makeup.
No,
I don't want to put it on your elbow. Are you kidding me? You guys don't really need it on your elbows. I don't even know why I listen to y'all sometimes. Cameron, come on. I'm gonna stand in front of the thing. All right, buddy. We're going to the lobby.
I know.
All right, TT. Oh, I was gonna say TTYL, but probably when I get off the thing. That's 4-6.
I was looking.
You going up, down?
No, going up.
Up. Okay. Go ahead.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye, guys. Bye. I think he felt bad. He didn't want to distract you guys.
But Tucky are such
She will.
cute kids.
Kids are such cute kids. You guys are. Bye.
Watch your hands.